Hi everybody, back in time for the ultraviolet quiz answers. Okay, have you been singing these songs? Have you been dancing? As long as you're doing something, keep you amused. Here we go. Here the answer to question 1. What year did Typically Tropical have the hit Barbados? 1975. Everyone remember it? Question 2. And what did the Venga Boys change the destination to in 1999? Same song, but they changed the destination to what? Ibiza. Remember? Going to Ibiza. Question 3. Who sang Summer Love Sensation in 1974? My wife loved them. The Bay City Rollers, the boys from Edinburgh. Okay, Bay City Rollers. Question 4. Here Comes Summer was a hit for Jerry Keller in which year? What do you think? This could be a gran or grandad giving the answer to this one. 1959. Jerry Keller, 1959. That was question 4. Question 5. Who sang In the Summertime in June 1970? Everybody remember it? In the summertime when the weather is high. Mungo Jerry. Mungo Jerry. That was a good summer, 1970. Question 6. Name a-ha's summer sounding hit in 1986. Remember a-ha? They were a Scandinavian group. Sure they were. Everybody liked, all the girls liked the lead singer. And it was The Sun Always Shines on TV. Remember that tune? Question 7. A group named Bomb Ballerina in 1990 and Brian Hyland in 1960 both had hits with this summer song. What was it? It was Itsy Bitsy Teeny Weeny Yellow Polka Dot Bikini. So lots of people have sung that song through the generations and even worn these bikinis. Question 8. Everybody's Free to Wear Sunscreen was a #1 hit for Baz Luhrmann in which year? 1999. Used to get people to protect themselves from the ultraviolet light of rays, which we're wanting tonight. We want as many as we can. So it was 1999 the answer to number 8. Question 9. Cliff Richard's Summer Holiday was a #1 hit in which year? People still singing it. 1963. So 1963. Question 10. Seasoned in the Sun has been a big hit twice, in 1999 and 1974. But for which artists? And the answer is Westlife. Sorry, I couldn't see there. Westlife and Terry Jacks. So Terry Jacks in 1974, Westlife in 1999. Question 11. Cruel Summer was a hit for which band in 1983? And it was also in the film Blue Crush, all to do with girl surfers. It was Bananarama. Remember it? Question 12. Which group sang Walking on Sunshine in 1985? They also went on to win the Eurovision Song Contest a few years later. Katrina and the Waves. I think they're the last winners for the UK. Question 13. Michael Jackson had the hit Farewell My Summer Love in which year? Remember Michael Jackson, Farewell My Summer Love, 1984. Question 14. Which year did Madonna have the worldwide hit Holiday? Everybody loves that song, Holiday, especially when they're going on holiday, which not many of us will be doing this year, I don't think. Which year did Madonna have the hit, worldwide hit, Holiday? 1983. So 1983 was question 14. Question 15. The theme from the film A Summer's Place in 1959 was a big hit for which orchestra? Any you grands or granddads or great grands or granddads out there know this? The Percy Faith Orchestra. And it was a nice tune. You can still get it on YouTube and things. It's nice. So it was Percy Faith Orchestra in question 15. Question 16. Who sang Summer in the City in 1966? Summer in the City. The back of my neck's looking mighty pretty. That's some of the words in it. It was the Lovin' Spoonful. So question 16, Lovin' Spoonful. Question 17, which group were having a long hot summer? 1983. And you know, Style Council. Remember, they came from the Jam, became the Style Council. 1983, a long hot summer. Question 18, who blamed it on the weatherman in 1998? So when the weather was bad, they weren't getting sun, they started blaming the weatherman. It was Bewitched, an all-girl group from Ireland. Anybody remember that one? Question 19, who was feeling hot in the city tonight in 1988? He had a big hit, another big hit, and it was all to do with a white wedding. Billy Idol. Anybody remember Billy Idol? 1988. And question 20. A group named First Class had a hit called Beach Baby. In which year though? 1974. So that was question 20 and the answer was 1974. Question 21. Which female sang about boys, in brackets, summertime love in 1988? I think I remember this. I used to go, boys, boys, boys. Sabrina. Sabrina was answer to 21. 22. Summer Breeze was which group's worldwide hit in 1973? Still sounds brilliant. It was the Isley Brothers. So the Isley Brothers had Summer Breeze in 1973. That was answer 22. 23. Summer Nights from the film Grease was a hit for John Travolta and Olivia Newton-John in which year? Is everybody singing that? I can imagine everybody knows that song. 1978. So 1978 is the answer to number 23. Question 24. Which group had a dreadlock holiday in 1978? You'd remember one of their other songs, I'm Not in Love, which was a really big hit at the time. It was 10cc. So 10cc were having a dreadlock holiday in 1978. Question 25. I Live for the Sun was a hit for Vanity Fair in which year? I Live for the Sun. It was a big hit for Vanity Fair in which year? And it was 1969. So I hope you had some fun doing that. Some are quite difficult, some are easy. It's just to get you thinking anyway. And even if you don't know the answers to the questions, it gets you singing the songs. It'll remind you of them. So that's the end of that quiz. I'll get back to the general knowledge ones tomorrow. I made a mistake and said we had done 100, but we hadn't, because we've only done 75. And I'll give a wave to my granddaughter Daisy, because she keeps saying, I see Grandad on YouTube, but he doesn't speak to me. She's only 3, so okay Daisy. Bye everybody, see you tomorrow.